Sadie, who are you looking for? Okay, come here, Amelia. Oh, go this way. Sadie, this way. Go that way. Come here. What are those on the floor?
I think it's a trap.
Oh, where did he come in though, Zadie? Come here.
He's over there.
Come here.
He already ran home, honey. Where do you think he came in the house? Looks like he jumped up onto the table.
Yeah, look where he went. Now let's see if he...
Oh, he came in through the window. He came in there.
Yeah.
And then he jumped up.
And then over here, come on, go here. Come on. He stopped right here.
Oh.
Brought you him?
Yeah, I did.
What did he bring you?
Chocolate coins. Wow. Let's see if he's still in there. No.
Oh, he took his treat though.
Yeah. Oh, but he sure comes and see the kids when he gets himself.
Amelia, what's up?